I've never been there
Okay,
before.
no problem about it. So, the step one is like our basis. It's
Yeah.
like you need like to choose one of our bases, okay? One of these. Egg noodles, Owi noodles, Udo noodles, rice noodles, jasmine rice, organ rice, and a quinoa. Okay?
Okay.
So when you choose this, pay attention. Like I'm gonna put some veg on it. We're gonna put some veg on it, like a bit brown, like a white cabbage, something like that. Something like that.
Oh, okay. Wow.
This is gonna put all the time, okay? All the time we're gonna put, okay? In this case, like if you want like more things, in the step number 2, okay? Like a beef, chicken, mixed peppers, something like that. You know what I'm saying? So, when you choose,
What is
quinoa,
quinoa? Yeah.
quinoa.
Quinoa. Yeah.
This one, yeah.
What is that? Is it couscous?
It's some like it's like a couscous.
I'm filming you. I hope you don't mind being on my vlog. Alright, so that is quinoa.
Quinoa.
Quinoa. Okay.
In Portuguese, it's couscous, and in Africa, is couscous too.
How come you people call it quinoa?
Quinoa is like a British people. British people like it changed like the name. It speak like a quinoa, but like Africa people, for us, it's like a couscous.
Now I
Couscous.
get it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.